Ta-da! So it's finally here. This is the Ezcap331, 60 FPS, and it does 1080p at 120 FPS, Ultra HD at 30 FPS, and audio settings use custom rights, blah blah blah. Yeah, I'm actually gonna check this out. So it doesn't come with any accessories. So this is it. It's got some ventilation, model 331. There we go. And it's got the serial number. Looks a bit weird. Yeah, it does look weird. It looks like. Oh, that does improve a bit. But as you can see, I think you can fix that. Oh, there might be a lookup table. Oh.